guys, MD95TSI here today, and I want to thank Simon, which is a bird in the hand, and John, which is RC Funds. They have been helping me out with this. Chris Riley left a message on my page last night about this bird, telling me a little bit about it. Thank you, Chris, so much. You really helped me out on that, man. He said he remembers that Nay, if you guys know who Nay is, he's a tinkering guy that should leave everything alone. From what I've been told. Anyway, he's supposed to flash the transmitter, but not the bird, okay? RC Funds has been a good guy with this, man. I'm talking like last night, probably 12:30, we're texting each other, midnight, you know. And so he told me how to check the version. I'm stupid on this, guys. I'm not lying. When it comes to this, I'm used to messing with the big guys. The Phantom, you know, plugging it into the computer, the Unique. You got to plug that into the computer, go to the GUI, and that's how it tells you everything. You don't have to do that, but that's how I do things. So I'm going to go ahead and bind this up, right? And I'm going to show you guys, because I need some help here. I know, again, right, MD? MD, come on. Really, MD? You need help again? Yeah, I do need help again, guys. Because we have figured something out with this guy. That everyone's going to be, what? Are you freaking kidding me? Alright, so let's get the calibrating one then. And I'm just going to leave it on here and just spin it around. Because it really doesn't matter on calibration. And I say it doesn't matter because I'm not flying it. Okay. Okay. Now, while it's in that stage, you press down on your left stick and press your menu button and hold it, the enter button, and hold it. Okay. Then I scroll down, keep going down, 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 down till it says show version. Hit enter. Watch when I show you the version and hit enter. What does that say? That says 501 SS version 2.1.29 version 1.1.38, and then the transmitter is version 1.1.9. So guys, tell me, with this being an it says 501S on the bottom of the bird. Okay? Is it possible that that's just a sticker? Because it says 501SS right here. So that's what I'm wondering, if it's not a 501SS. I was told it was an SS. Chris was told it was an SS. So, therefore, I think we have an SS. So tell me, what version is correct on that? Is that the wrong version? Please help here, guys. MD needs help again. We're starting to figure this out. We got the antennas figured out. That antenna yesterday, this thing inside the case was all apart. The nuts was out, the spacers, everything. It was laying loose inside the case. I fixed that. FPV got tremendously different. This antenna has to stay in this position. I had it in this position the other day when I flown, had the antenna pointing back towards me. So the stick has to stay straight pointed out. Usually dipoles hit off the middle. This guy hits off the tip. So I did go further than I went in that video when it broke up, but we still had about the same grainy looking footage on the monitor. So I think it needs flashed. You guys tell me what you think. There you have it again. So guys, please tell me. MD95 is waiting for you. Thank you. Now, thank you guys so much for helping me. I really appreciate this. And if you do know this, if you have at 501 SS, because that's what this is, obviously. Now here's my dilemma. Let me say this before I cut this off. Now, this was a 501S, and someone like Nay put 501 SS software on this thing. Is that possible, or would it brick itself? So that's what I'm wondering. Is this a 501S with 501SS software, firmware in it? or would it have bricked itself? I'm thinking it would have bricked itself because that's what Annie from Hubson says it would have done. So I'm thinking this is an SS Bird, and now we need to get the correct firmware down onto it. So guys, let me know please. I'm gonna drop this video on YouTube ASAP, and I love you guys and thank you so much. Hubson 501S or SS. Is it or ain't it? Let me show you again. Give you a good shot of that sticker underneath there. And if you look right there, it says 501S. Okay? But if you look right there, it says 501SS. So let me know, please.